If a child feeds you how peanut oil comes from, how would you answer him? The first step to extract peanut oil from peanuts is to shell them. The shelled peanuts are dried and sent to the sheller. The shells are squeezed in the sheller. Then the peanut shells and peanuts are separated by the vibrating screen. The bad peanuts and some foreign objects can be picked out by the optical sorter. Only good peanuts are left. Then it enters the second step of baking. The peanuts are heated and baked in the baking machine. The oven rotates while heating. It allows the peanuts to be heated evenly. Prevents them from being burnt. After being heated, the moisture in the peanuts evaporates. Then it enters the third step of crushing. The roasted peanuts are sent to the crusher. After they come out, they are crushed into finer pieces. Raw powder. Then the powder is quantitatively divided into a container. Spread evenly and wrapped with craft paper. Then put it into the pressure agent and press it into a cake shape. Then enter the fourth process of pressing. The cake-shaped peanut cakes are stacked layer by layer on the hydraulic press. After it is full, start the hydraulic press. Under the strong pressure of the hydraulic cylinder, the peanut oil is squeezed out of the peanut cake. It drips into the oil receiving tank below. After converging together, it is pumped into the sedimentation tank. Separate the larger particles in the peanut oil. Then enter the filter. After filtering out the finer impurities, the clear and delicate peanut oil comes out. Now you can the peanut oil. Cover the bottle cap and select a treasure to firmly cap the bottle cap. Put a label on the bottle. At this point, the peanut oil can be sold on the market.